Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for random variable. A discrete random variable x has a probability distribution function given as follow. So as stated in here, it is discrete, so means that sign is important. So kindly refers to the question. Here we have the table with the random variable 2, 3, 4 and 5, and with the probability we have p, 0.2, 0.3 and q respectively. So A, given that we have the mean or the expected value or the EX which is equals to 4. So as we can see in here, the summation for the X multiplied with the probability which is equals to 4. That is the formula for expected value, or we can say the mean. So first, in order to find the PQ, must know the concept discrete random variable. It means that the summation for the probability will be equals to 1. So kindly make use of the concept. So we want to sum up the Px or the probability. So in here, the summation for the probability which is equals to 1. So if we sum up, we will have P plus with the Q plus with the 0.5 which is equals to 1. So P plus with the Q equals to 0.5. That will be the first equation. Next, make use of the information where we have the summation for X multiplied with the probability which is equals to 4. So kindly multiply the situation. So here we have 2p plus 0.6 plus 1.2 plus 5q equals to 4. If we simplify, 2p plus 5q which is equals to, try to imagine 4 minus 1.8, 2.2. That will be the second equation. So in order to find the p and q, what we have to do is to make use of the simultaneous equation. So kindly refers to the first equation. My suggestion is to multiply the equation by 2. So if we multiply by 2, and we will have 2p plus 2q which is equals to 1. So name it as the first equation still. So now what we have to do is to find the p or q. So my suggestion is to make use of the elimination. So the second equation minus the first equation. So if we minus, try to imagine 2p minus 2p. Then 5q minus 2q where we have 3q equals to 2.2 minus 1 where we have 1.2. So q will be equals to 0.4. So that is the answer for q. Substitute the q equals to 0.4 into the first equation. So try to imagine p is equals to 0.5 minus 0.4. So p will be equals to 0.1. Next is to substitute the p and q into the table. Kindly refers to the question B. Question asks us to find the variance. So the formula will be E bracket x square minus E bracket x bracket square. So next is to find the EX square. So the formula for E bracket x square is equals to summation x square multiplied with the probability. So my suggestion is to make use of the situation. So x square multiplied with the probability. So where we have x, which is the 2 square, 4 multiplied with 0.1, so we will have 0.4. Next, 3 square where we have 9. 9 multiplied with the 0.2 where we have 1.8. Continue, we have 4 square which is 16. 16 multiplied with the 0.3 and we will have 4.8. Finally, we have 25 multiplied with the 0.4 and we will have 10. So kindly sum up the situation. So E x square is equals to 0.4 plus with 1.8 plus with 4.8 plus with the 10. If we sum up, and we will have 17 for the E bracket x square. Next is to find the variance. So in order to find the variance formula, we have 17 minus the EX or the mean where we have 4 bracket square. So finally, the variance is equals to 1 because 17 minus 16 where we have 1. Next, focus on the E bracket. We have the modulus for x minus 4. So based on the situation where we have summation modulus x minus 4 multiplied with the probability. So kindly focus on the situation. At first, focus on this part. Let's say we have 2. If we substitute the 2, so we have 2 minus 4, where we have modulus. So the question will be 2, because of the modulus, 2 minus 4, where we have 2. Multiply with the situation, focus on the 2, where we have 0.1. Plus, if we focus on 3, if we substitute 3, we will have 1. Continue. X is equals to 3 just now. So the probability will be 0.2. Continue. If we substitute 4, we will have 0. The probability for 4, 0.3. Plus, if we substitute 5, we will have 1. The probability for 5, which is 0.4. So from here, if we sum up everything, the answer will be 0.8. So E bracket modulus x minus 4, which is equals to 0.8. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.